Let's learn about the words with the sound and letters Q-U. Square. How many squares do you see? Quick. He is fast. Very quick. Quiz. What is the answer on the quiz? Quiet. Shh. Please be quiet. Sequence. Do the project in this sequence. 1. A 2. B. 3. C. 4. D. Q. Line up in a queue to get service. Squirrel. Squirrels are always eating. Quack. 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 Ducks are always quacking. Queen. She is the Queen of England. Quest. Indiana Jones is always on a quest to find something. Quit. Can you quit smoking? Squeeze. Squeeze balls help with stress. Keep squeezing. Quilt. My mother likes to quilt. She makes nice quilts. Squeak. A mouse makes a lot of noise. It squeaks. What other words have the letters Q? Let us know in the comments. Keep practicing. You'll get better at this. The end.